Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Bisaat and I am Shakeel Ramay. The world is going through many changes. In the world of President Xi Jinping, we are witnessing changes once in a century time. The relationships are changing, feuds are becoming friends, friends are becoming feuds, old hegemonic alliances are disintegrating, are at the brink of the disintegration, new partnerships are emerging, like the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. However, there are something stable. There are some relationships which are stable and had got stronger with the time, like Pakistan-China relationship. Pakistan-China relationship has been dubbed as a unique in the sense that traditional theories of international relations cannot explain it. It is described as higher than the mountains, deeper than the sea, and sweeter than honey. That's why always the opponents and the friends keep Pak-China relationship under very keen scrutiny. That's why the opponents, they are going to run the campaigns, malicious campaigns or the propaganda campaigns against China-Pakistan relationship. It is happening for the more than 7 decades. We have witnessed in every decade they have new slogans, but for some time they have targeted CPAC. They are coming, they are their own theories. Sometimes they say it's a debt trap, sometimes they say it's not a good investment, sometimes they say Pakistan is getting more debt. I don't know whatever what they are talking about. They talk many things. But Pakistan and China never give any head to these speculations and remain concentrated and focused on strengthening our bilateral relationship. That's why today we will be discussing, we have designed this program to discuss and to decode what is the truth in the propaganda. Either it's a true or a complete lie. For that purpose, we have requested a very special guest today, His Excellency Qiang. He is the Deputy Ambassador or the Deputy Chief of Mission of Embassy of People's Republic of China. He has very diverse experience. Before coming here, he was serving in USA. So that means he was serving in the hub of the propaganda. So he has the experience to work here in Pakistan for I think more than 1 year now. And he has also experience to serve in many other countries. That's why we have invited His Excellency to our show. Welcome to the show, His Excellency.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us. As I was describing our relationship in my introduction, our relationship is very unique. Why it's so? Why people say it's a unique relationship?
Thank you. First, I thank you for inviting me to take this interview. I'd like to take this opportunity to extend the New Year's greetings to all our brothers and sisters in Pakistan, to wish you all have a happy and fruitful New Year. And I also congratulate M-News for your establishment and operation.
Thank you.
I wish M-News in the new year with new responsibility and achieve new success.
Thank you.
Certainly also I congratulate my brother, you yourself, to also make further success. Yeah. To answer your very important question, I'd like to quote what President Xi Jinping had said when he met with His Excellency Premier Shahbaz Sharif last September in Beijing, when Prime Minister Shahbaz visited China to attend major events in China. President Xi Jinping stated that China and Pakistan share a bond of resilience, a bond of brotherhood, and also a bond built on trust and common values. An ironclad friendship that was forged through historical twists and turns.
Very beautiful
has grown ever stronger over time. So you can see, this is the end of the quote. So you can see this unique China-Pakistan friendship is nurtured and cared by generations of leaders of both countries.
Yes.
and got full support of the two peoples. This relationship has set up an example for state-to-state relations. So, as brother, you just said, China-Pakistan friendship is higher than Himalaya, deeper than ocean, sweeter than honey.
Yes.
This is, I think, from the bottom hearts of the people. It reflects how this friendship is deep-rooted in our two countries. In China, when you every people knows Bati. We use Bati, referring Pakistan or Pakistani people, literally meaning Pakistan iron brother.
Oh.
So when in China you say Bati, you will be welcome in everywhere.
Oh, that's a very beautiful description you have just given.
Yeah. I personal experience. I have been here almost close to 2 years. I have experienced such deep friendship. I have never experienced in my previous.
You are our brother.
Post. Yeah.
You are our brother.
Yeah. I would like to see one of the most very touching examples is in the year of 2008, when this very severe earthquake struck China's Sichuan province. The whole country of Pakistan, the people, you used all your strategic tents reserve to help China in the disaster alleviation. So we are deeply moved. So this year, when Pakistan suffered this strike of the very serious floods, China also extended assistance. Immediately, we first donate $2 million cash for assistance, followed by 100 million RMB materials, including tents, blankets, boats. This is just shows how we stand together when these difficult times come.
Thank you. I think from your discussion, if I can conclude from what I understood from your answer, the most fundamental thing which make our relationship unique is the feelings. We feel the pain of each other. We feel the happiness of each other. That's why there is every time when there is a good news or the bad news, we are either is for good news, we are celebrating together. And if there is something bad happen, we are working together to overcome that. So now moving forward to our next discussion point. So now we have seen in 2013, when the world was writing off Pakistan, when no country was ready to invest in Pakistan. Rather, there were many countries, our allies in the war on terror, they were running the campaigns, a malicious campaign against Pakistan, and the FATF was there. At that time, China came forward and started to implement the CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Now we have completed the first phase of CPEC, and we are entering the second phase. That's why we want to know what we have achieved during the first phase of CPEC.
First I want to I fully agree with what you have said. I think I like best is people in Pakistan always say China, Pakistan are like one soul, two hearts. Yeah, I really enjoy these words. Back to the question of the China-Pakistan relationship, I think our relationship also features three very important aspects. I'd like to see features this high-level strategic trust and mutual respect, and also features this comprehensive cooperation in almost every areas, including economic, industrial, agriculture, science, technology, military to military, cultural exchange, people to people exchanges. you name it. So many
list goes on.
Yeah, many list goes on. First, regarding this, and also our firm commitment to the common development and also the regional peace and stability. First, this political mutual respect and trust. This is, I think, is features at this. We firmly support each other in defending our core interests.
Kashmir, China always supported Pakistan. Taiwan, Pakistan always supported a one China policy.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Pakistan always adheres to a one China principle, and also supports China in the issues of Taiwan, Xizang, Xinjiang, Hong Kong, South China Sea. And with this practical cooperation, I like to see China is the largest trading partner of Pakistan, and also the largest source of the FDI, foreign direct investment.
That is very
you
important.
have mentioned CPEC.
Yes.
Yeah. CPEC is the representation, I think most prominent representation of the China-Pakistan cooperation, which have over 1 decade has significantly improved Pakistan's social and economic development and helped improved your livelihood, especially helping Pakistan enhance your self-reliance development, help to fundamentally transform your infrastructure and the energy situation. As Excellency Planning Minister Iqbal has said, CPEC has fundamentally changed Pakistan's investment environment. And
Yes.
also many Pakistani political leaders, they all see CPEC is a game changer for Pakistan.
Yes.
And also in the international regional areas, both countries contribute to the regional peace and stability, and also to jointly safeguard this international system with the United Nations at its core,
Yes.
and also together safeguard the common interest of the global South. In the United Nations, Shanghai Cooperation Organizations, China, Pakistan work closely and make a very close coordination and communication. And also, especially China, Pakistan work together to promote and implement the 4 global initiatives: Global Development Initiative, Global Security Initiative, Global Civilization Initiative, Global Governance Initiative recently
Yes.
proposed by President Xi Jinping. So as brother you just mentioned, at this very turbulent international and regional context, our relations, our stability, our certainty of China-Pakistan relations is becoming more prominent, and we can together face this uncertainty with the stable China-Pakistan relation, work together to overcome challenges, to bring brighter future to our relations. Back to your very important question about the CPEC.
Yes.
Yeah, as I just said, this is the most prominent example of our cooperation. This is the mainstay of China's Belt and Road Initiative. In 2015, President Xi Jinping, he made the historic state visit to Pakistan. In that visit, President Xi Jinping made the guidance for the construction of CPEC, which was with the CPEC corridor at the center, and also focused on the development Gwadar port, energy, and the infrastructure, and the industrial cooperation, These are the four key areas.
Before that, you
CPEC.
described the whole CPEC. I just want to share with the audience, even before the CPEC, till 2010, for example, till 2010, so there were almost $15 billion investment in Pakistan from the Chinese company and Chinese corporation, even before the CPEC. No, you continue.
You mean before the
CPEC?
There were already 15,
Yes.
15 billion.
Yes.
Yeah. This CPEC project, I think, significantly enhanced China's FDI to Pakistan. In total, I think in the first phase for about 10 years, it
Yes.
has brought 25, I think close to $26 billion FDI to Pakistan, and it has helped to build 510 kilometers highways, 8,000 megawatts electricity power, and also 886 kilometers of core electricity transition line. More important, it has created 260,000 employment jobs.
And that is very important number, the jobs, because these are not just number of the jobs. These represent the families. 200, more than 200,000 families benefited. That definitely helped to lower the poverty in Pakistan. No, please continue.
Yeah. As I mentioned, the infrastructure and the energy has been the main focus area and also made great changes. I'd like to use an example. I talked with several colleagues from the diplomatic corps. I mean, diplomats who used to work in Pakistan more than 10 years ago. Now they returned to Pakistan. They told me after their return, they feel this biggest change is that Pakistan no longer lacks electricity now. So we know with the CPEC construction, Pakistan achieved its energy from the energy deficit to become the energy now surplus. And also you have achieved this diversity of your energy supply. Not only have the thermal power, you also have the nuclear power, wind power, and the hydro power station. Regarding the infrastructure, one of the very good example I'd like to use is the Orange Line metro train in Lahore. Yes. Which after its operation, now it has served more than 270 millions of passengers, greatly improved the transportation in Lahore. I think most striking achievement is the Gwadar port, I think.
Yes.
Which was used to be a small fishing village, but now is a modern port with multi-purpose terminals, which can accommodate 2 cargo ships with 50,000 ton class.
Okay.
Yeah. And also,
moreover, there is a special economic zone.
Yeah, you are right. Not only the port, there are special economic zone we call free zone. And also in the surrounding area, we have helped Pakistan to build the new Gwadar International Airport, East Bay Expressway, yes. Which has greatly enhanced the area connectivity.
Yes.
We helped build the China-Pakistan Friendship Hospital in Gwadar, which now have treated over 300,000 Pakistan patients.
Yes.
There is also a desalination plant was established, which can produce water around 2,000 to 3,000 tons daily. And also we helped improve the local education with building the Gwadar Fachu Middle School, which can now have around 500 students We have this also Gwadar vocational training school now can help train around 1,000 professionals each year.
Yeah, plus I think these numbers are very good, and especially China has also established a forest, Park China Friendship Forest in the Gwadar, because China is trying to promote the more forest area in the Gwadar, so the environment can get better in the Gwadar. Yeah, you want to conclude this one?
Yeah. I just want to see that the construction of CPEC helped Pakistan significantly improve your infrastructure and energy, which has laid solid foundation for Pakistan economic development. With that foundation, you can, brother, you just mentioned, you can have more jobs, you can have more industries.
Yes.
And also during the whole process, our China-Pakistan, our mutual understanding and also friendship also greatly enhanced. So in the one word, CPEC helped Pakistan to more exert your geographic advantage to achieve even greater regional connectivity and also expand your external economic cooperation, which CPEC in this regard has injected great impetus, and also certainly will bring a brighter future for Pakistan.
Thank you. I think now we have to go for a short break, but before going to a break, I just want to highlight one thing. So when CPEC started, so it was stated by the different sources from the Pakistan was losing 4 to 5 billion US dollar due to the electricity shortages. And we calculated if there was no CPEC, today that loss would be 15 to 20 billion US dollar. That means CPEC helped us in this way to control our debt loss. Now we will take a break and we will be back shortly. Welcome back. So we were discussing about the CPEC phase 1. Now we are moving to the CPEC phase 2, which by this year Pakistan and China has launched jointly in September in Beijing. So His Excellency, when we look at the CPEC 2, so what is the difference in CPEC 2 and what more opportunity CPEC 2 is bringing for the Pakistan?
Brother, so far I really enjoyed this conversation.
Thank you.
CPEC 2, I think, focuses we call 5 corridors. That is growth, livelihood, innovation, green development, and opening up. We want to align these 5 corridors with Pakistan's program, Vula Pakistan, which features 5 E's. If I remember, they are education, climate, digital economy, equity. So we want to align our 5 corridors with the Pakistan development programs.
Okay.
Recently, His Excellency Prime Minister Iqbal published an article, a very important article. Means the title is "What CPEC 2.0 Means," which elaborated very well about how this alignment can take place. We think we can work on 4 aspects. First, we will continue our major important projects, including continue the comprehensive development of Gwadar Port, and also, this strategic land route between Pakistan and China, this Karakoram highway. Now we have this phase 2 Karakoram highway alignment project. We will steadily continue to work on that. And also, second, we want to focus on industry, agriculture, mining, 3 key areas, and to promote
industrialization and agriculture is very important for Pakistan. Because at this point of the time, Pakistan needs rapid industrialization. And unfortunately, at this point of the time, so our industry is not performing, as some industries are shutting down. So that point would be very game-changing for Pakistan.
For industry and agriculture cooperation, certainly can help Pakistan to enhance your export, which is very important for your continued development of your economy. And also we want to make this upgradation of this China-Pakistan free trade agreement to help facilitate more Pakistan high-quality products export to China. And also we will certainly facilitate more B2B business cooperation.
Yes.
Thirdly, we want to have the cooperation facing the future, we want to enhance our cooperation on the information technology, cybersecurity, digital economy, artificial intelligence, these areas. And more important, we want to, together with Pakistan, to enhance our talents, professional training. Okay. You know, this year we have just concluded this 1,000 agriculture talent training programs in China, which has yielded grateful results.
Yes.
Yeah. And fourthly, we will continue together with Pakistan, to enhance people of Pakistan, your people's livelihood, your well-being. Continue to have.
Like always, that is the core value or the core element of Chinese governance, people's welfare.
Yeah,
so every policy, every intervention must be related to the people's welfare.
Yes.
So you're bringing that core element to the Pakistani.
Yeah, people-centric governance.
Yes.
Yeah, we will continue provide medical, agriculture, educational, climate response, disaster prevention, elevation, this kind of livelihood cooperation to develop more small and beautiful projects to enhance the well-being of our two peoples during this China-Pakistan cooperation.
Oh, that's mean the CPEC 2 has a complete roadmap, not just to revive the economy in Pakistan, but also to help Pakistan to transit into the fourth industrial revolution. So because technology development and all these corporations are related to the technology. But just before moving our next question, I just want to add one thing. Maybe I can say it's a request from Pakistani farmers. In Pakistan, right now, we don't have any agriculture vocational training institute. We have very big universities, but for the farmers, we need agriculture vocational training institute, because agriculture is a backbone of the Pakistan. I think the both country can discuss it and how to make the part of this CPEC 2 or the next the 5-year action plan, which recently has been agreed, which is our next topic for the discussion.
Yeah, so that's a bright idea.
Yeah.
I'd also like to add that actually Chinese side attaches importance to this vocational training idea.
Yes.
Actually, we are doing many vocational training projects with Pakistan. I think recently I attended an event is for training of Pakistan welding worker. This is I think 1 month program which will be concluded very soon. They will help Pakistan to train very professional welding workers.
Okay.
The closing ceremony will be held soon. I think this is one of the examples how we can work on this vocational training.
Yes, Luban workshops and these everything. Pakistan, China is already working. His Excellency, moving forward to our next question, at another area of discussion. So recently, Pakistan and China, they have signed a new action plan to further enhance our friendship, to build a community with a shared future in new era. First of all, viewers, I just want to let you know that this agreement has been signed in a circumstances when every propagandist and opponents, they were talking about Pakistan-China relationship are fading away, are they becoming weaker. So Pakistan and China came up with a new agreement to show the world, no, we are getting strong. So that is a five-year action plan. So His Excellency, can you give us the main features of that plan?
Yeah, you are right. This action plan is very important, which was released in September. The purpose of this action plan is to create a China-Pakistan community with a stronger political mutual trust, closer economic and trade ties, deeper security cooperation, and a more solid foundation of public support. So this action plan provides a roadmap and the implementation plan for the next 5 years between our two countries.
Yes.
It covers 7 major areas and 63 specific measures. The 7 areas are namely political, B&I, Belt and Road Initiative, practical cooperation,
Yes.
trade, economy, finance, science, technology, and personnel exchange, security and defense, people to people and cultural exchanges,
Yes.
and the last is the multilateral cooperation. Regarding the political, I have just now, I think, talked a lot about this.
Yes.
So, next year marks
But still,
the,
it is very less.
next year is 75th anniversary of the establishment of China-Pakistan diplomatic relations. So we will hold, both countries will hold a series of commemorative events. Also, we will maintain our top level exchanges. This year we had very close, frequent top level exchanges.
Yes.
His
Our
Excellency Prime Minister
CDF was visiting China
came to
many
China, and also President paid the state visit, and he
Yes.
visited China even twice this
Yes.
year. And also Chinese Foreign Minister, His Excellency Wang Yi, visited Pakistan, and two sides have this 6th China-Pakistan strategic dialogue.
Yes.
We want to maintain this high level exchanges in the next year.
Yes.
And also, as I said, our two sides firmly support each other in defending core interests. The second part I just already mentioned, which featured the CPEC, so
Yes.
I don't want to repeat.
So
third
action
part,
plan is reinforcing the CPEC.
yes, yeah, this is the second part, yeah.
Yes.
The third part is about, I just said, the trade, the economy, finance. So we will continue make the trade liberalization and support Pakistan's export potential.
Yes.
And we will continue provide financial support to Pakistan to make Pakistan have this financial stability. And also we will...
and that is very important element if somebody is taking note, the financial assistance, because Pakistan is going through one of the worst financial crises for some years. And I just want to mention it also. So China is consistently helping Pakistan.
Yeah.
Although there is a propaganda, there's a debt of China, but in reality China is assisting Pakistan in different forms, like the rollover of the debt, like swapping facilities, like other facilities. China is assisting Pakistan. If we talk about we are not defaulting, so we can also attribute a big attribute a big support from the Chinese side. Please continue.
Brother, you're absolutely right. And also we will support the local exchanges, the cooperation between locality, cooperation exchanges between China and Pakistan. I'd like to make Xinjiang as an example. Xinjiang is neighboring Pakistan.
Yes.
It has a lot of similarity with Pakistan regarding the geography, regarding some culture. So
like food, like dancing, like the religion, like many other things.
Yeah, so it has a huge potential. The Xinjiang has helped Pakistan to establish, it's going to establish 1,000 acres of exemplary field for this irrigation efficiency agriculture. Now I think more than 500 have been established. They will continue this kind of cooperation.
Okay.
Yeah. Fourthly is science and technology. We will make a joint research in applied and basic science, and also support Pakistani research and personnel to go to China to conduct research work. Also, I'd like to also refer to a very very good example. We have maintained close cooperation in the space area.
Yes.
Yeah. Pakistan astronauts is now having training in China. I think China will have the first foreign astronaut in our space station. That will be our Pakistani iron brother.
Yes.
And also we will provide Pakistan with 3,000 study and training opportunities, enhance our mutual cooperation in climate response and water management systems.
Yes.
The fifth is about the military and security area. We will continue this cooperation of joint training, exercises, and military technology. Recently, we have held very successful joint exercises, counter-terrorism exercises.
And that is always going on.
Yeah, and also counterterrorism is a very important area for our cooperation.
Yes.
We will maintain very strong bilateral and multilateral counterterrorism cooperation to support Pakistan to combat terrorism in all its forms. Six,
I just want to say one thing about our security cooperation.
Yeah.
When I describe the security cooperation, I always say it is deeper than the sea. It means it's has the strong roots, it has very strong roots, multidimensional, but deeper than the sea, silently. But China and Pakistan don't make the big announcements or the fanfare like that. Pakistan and China continue to work together like brothers in the security field also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The sixth is about as I mentioned, is the people-to-people exchanges, the cultural exchanges. We will enhance this cooperation and exchanges in education, in youth, young people, younger generation, culture, media, and think tank, publication, radio, film, television.
Yes.
The list goes on. This is a very important area which can help enhance our mutual understanding and deepen our friendship.
Yes.
The seventh, the last, is as I said, is the multilateral and the international coordination.
Yes.
The two sides will continue to strengthen our coordination in these areas and all these international and regional arenas, organizations. And also we will continue make close coordination and communication in regional issues, including but not limited to Afghanistan issue, and also make unremitting effort for peace and stability in the Middle East.
Okay, I think now we are moving towards the conclusion of our program. I just want to ask one question. I just look at the CPEC 2, phase 2. I look at the numbers of CPEC phase 1. Now I'm looking at the action plan. In the presence of these all big achievements and the future plans, why there's so much propaganda against China-Pakistan relationship?
Brother, thank you for that very important question. I think there is this kind of negative rhetorics and also negative propaganda. But according to my experience and observance, I think in Pakistan, the majority, the mainstream of this media, their comments, their observation about China-Pakistan is positive. They can see this development in an objective and balanced way. Certainly, there is nothing perfect.
Yes.
For such a grand major project like CPEC, there will be problems. There were problems and challenges. Maybe also twists and turns. And we also take into consideration of this turbulent international and regional situation. This will also have some negative effects on this cooperation. Despite of this, the Chinese side, our determination with Pakistan to continue the CPEC, continue our practical cooperation is unswerving. You can see what I just talked about. We will continue our efforts in so many areas.
Like even you started CPEC, you came forward in 2013 when no country was interested to invest in Pakistan. Right now, due to the CPEC infrastructure and other facilities, every other country is coming to join us.
Yeah, you are right, brother. I think including Gulf countries and also some Central Asian countries, they are more and more look at Pakistan, more and more look at the CPEC connectivity advantages to help to expand their economy, to expand their connectivity. So this is a huge potential. Even though the CPEC is a success, we will continue to provide benefits to our two peoples. But still, there are some elements, I think brother just mentioned, they don't want to see the success of this project. They even use various means trying to disrupt this cooperation, including this negative red ticks, smear campaign, even fake news. Brother, you talked about the China debt trap. I think if you read all this data, you can see the Chinese side does not account for the biggest source of the Pakistan's external debt. But still, we provide Pakistan with financial support, with funding support to help Pakistan stabilize your financial, to help you improve, grow your economy, and enhance your livelihood.
That means the Chinese debt is a debt relief because it's helping us to break the shackle of IMF and other donors. That means it's a debt relief for us.
Yeah. So the two countries will, I think, will never let those elements to sever our relations, to disrupt our mutual beneficial cooperation. And also there is a Chinese saying that rumors stop with the wise. Now Pakistan, I think you have maintained economic growth, stability, and also social unity, stability, especially your international and regional status and influence has been continually rising, which has provided a solid foundation for further development. For China, recently we just concluded the fourth plenary session of the 20th Central Committee of Chinese Communist Party. And also in this conference, we have enacted the 15th five-year plan, which focuses to expand our high-level opening up and to promote new high-quality development. So with that, we not only benefit ourselves, but we also benefit our other countries, especially our neighboring countries, particularly our iron brother, Pakistan.
Thank you, His Excellency. I think there is a lot of which we can discuss, but due to the program, we have to conclude our session. What I understood from your explanation of this negativity, I think we can also increase the media interaction. Like especially from the Pakistani side, if we look, so we have the private media channels, so who are doing the very good work to promote China-Pakistan friendship, but we can further enhance, like our channel can assist, so what we can contribute. And the second thing which we have learned, so China maybe need some who little bit aggressive now. Aggressive doesn't mean to fight, it means to present its case with the world and communicate more to the world and share the news more to the world. I know China believes in actions rather than talking, but maybe this is at a different time because we are dealing with the West and other countries. And in the conclusion, I just again want to thank you for sparing your time to join us for today's discussion. And we hope what we discussed and what we have not discussed right now, maybe some other time we will discuss, but what we have discussed, it will help people to understand CPEC 1, 2, and also help understand 5-year action plan for the implementation. And China will also consider to establish the agriculture vocation institutions on the lighter side. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Viewers, we see you in the next episode.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz.
Yeah.